and Carla. Carla,
Yes.
mapapansin nyo ba sa aking kanan, kasama natin walang iba, ang bagong host ng Good Morning Boss. Ang spokesperson ng Commission on Election, walang iba kundi si Mr. James Jimenez. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga.
Alright, sir. So, we heard na meron kang ipopromote.
Yes.
Go
Ano
ahead.
Okay. Kala ko pelikula pa. Hindi. Maglalakad po kami mula Lawag hanggang Manila, tapos mula Manila hanggang Sorsogon para po sa ating tinatawag na Waka Waka Project. Ito'y to start tomorrow, no, kasabay nung resumption ng voter registration. Ang purpose po ng Waka Waka ay para siyempre ipagbigay alam sa mga kababayan natin doon sa mga madadaanan naming towns and municipalities na pwede sila magparehistro, and more importantly na kailangan magpa-biometrics, no? Merong 9.6 million na registered voters na walang biometrics na hindi makakaboto sa 2016.
Okay.
So massive disenfranchisement 'yon, no? Literally. So yun yung gusto nating i-address, kaya lalakad tayo at sila where they are.
Wow. So you're really bringing it to their doorstep.
Yes, literally.
Literally.
No? Literally. Kasi, alam mo, sa bilis ng, sa bilis ng news cycle ngayon, sa bilis ng mga pangyayari, kuminsan nawawala yung mensahe na yan. And we want to reconnect with the people at that level.
And you know guys, yung voter education, isa yan sa pinakamahalaga talaga na talaga ma-instill sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin. Sabi nga namin before, kasi nakatrabaho ko na si Sir before, yung nasa student council pa ako ng UP, na yung message namin doon, walang karapatan yung mga mamamayan na magreklamo kung hindi rin naman sila bumuboto.
That's right.
Diba? So yun nga, let us all exercise our right to vote sa darating na 2016, and the registration will start tomorrow.
We'll start tomorrow and will run until October 31, 2015. So that's a very long time. So apart from the very long period, no, binubuksan din namin ang COMELEC offices ng linggo. So wala na talagang excuses. Wala nang excuses.
Dinala mo na sa sariling pintuan sa mga bahay mismo. Tapos even Sundays, bukas din ang COMELEC.
Yeah. So, sir, medyo malayo-layo ito. What preparations have you done for...
Well, we've been walking.
Yeah.
So mostly sa UP kasi paikot-ikot ka lang doon. But yeah, walking really. But the harder part to prepare for is really the mental aspect of it.
Yeah.
If you're walking down a very long road and you're not seeing anything but chickens, medyo nakakapagod yan, more than just physical activity. So we've been preparing various activities for the people that we meet along the road para maiwasan din yung ganong klaseng fatigue. So we're coordinating with local communities and we're meeting with them. So meron naman silang mga naka-line up na activities every time we land in their town.
Okay.
Alright. Ayan, so sana lahat ng mga boss natin talagang pumunta na sa mga voting registration
centers.
Centers, lahat. Sa lahat ng mga LGUs, of course, meron yan, sir,
of
diba?
course.
Ayan, so exercise your right to vote, and it will start tomorrow sa pag-register.
Yep.
Alright?
Alright.
And thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.